Greetings everyone, you're welcome back to African Dishes with Blessing. Today we are making white yam and egg sauce. I'm going to teach you how to make white yam and egg sauce. Very simple and easy to make. It doesn't require much ingredients. We have fresh tomatoes and onions. We have eggs. We have vegetable oil. And of course we have seasoning cubes, salt and spices. Spices are optional. Let's begin by cutting our yams and peeling. Cut and peel your yam. Wash very well. Wash thoroughly. Add into a boiling water and cover up to cook. As our yam is cooking, let's start slicing the tomatoes. Slice your onions. Add your oil. And when the oil is hot, you add your sliced onions. Fry for a second and add your fresh tomatoes. Cover up to heat for a few minutes before adding your spices. Add the seasoning cubes, salt and spices. Remember, spices are optional. I added curry powder. Let's begin by cracking the eggs. Stir thoroughly and fry your eggs separately if you don't want all the egg to pieces into the sauce. This is the secret. You fry your egg separately. Make it to get to your desired shape. Make it very fluffy before adding the eggs into the tomato sauce. This is the secret. You need to fry your egg separately before adding it into the tomato sauce to get the lumpy egg in your tomatoes and egg sauce. Guys, our tomato and egg sauce is ready to go down with white yam. Please subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.